Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our session number 4, and that is chatting with contacts. Chatting. What do you mean by a chatting? Chatting is one of the most powerful net service these days. Chatting is a kind of text communication over the internet that offer us a real time transmission of text messages from sender to receiver. Once a chat has been initiated, either user can enter text by typing on the keyboard and the entered text will appear on other users monitor. Chatting can be done either by typing text or by voice or by video. In case of voice chat, you can talk to other person by speaking using a microphone. And in case of video chat, you can talk as well as see the other person. Now for initiate chat. With our contact, a user must have a valid instant messaging account with username and password. Now, our next topic is how to begin chatting. If we want to chat, what we'll have to do? The very first step, whenever your friend in the contact list is online, you can see that person along with a green dot. Secondly, you can start sending text, chat message instantly by double clicking on a contact. Then you can type the text in the text box and press enter. The other person will see the text message and respond to your message. Go ahead and get the contact of couple of your classmates and chat with them. Now we will discuss about a blog. A blog a blog is a personal online diary intended for a general public reading. Each entry is known as a post and is maintained in reverse chronological order. Chronological order means in a serial number. A blog generally represents the personality of the author or reflect the purpose of a website. Why we create a blog? Basically, we create a blog when we want to share our personal thoughts with others. First blogger was Justin Hall, a US freelance journalist. Popular blogging platforms are WordPress and Blogger. So blog is what? It's a discussion style site that is being used by non-technical users or the technical users for creating their personal web pages. Blogs are basically similar to our personal diary as we maintain each and everything of our in our personal diary. In the same manner, if we want to share our thoughts, any news, any moments with other, what we create a blog. You can use a blog to convey messages about events, announcements, news, or the reviews. Blogs are usually managed using a web browser, and this require what? An active internet connection. And you can also use offline blog software to create content first and later you will publish it when an active internet connection is available. There are different types of blogs and they are personal, micro, corporate and reverse. If we'll talk about personal blog, it is an ongoing diary that is written by an individual. If we'll talk about collaborative blog, or we can say that group blog, in this type of blog, posts are written and published by more than one author. Third is microblog. In this type of blog, some pieces of digital content are posted, which could be in the form of text, pictures, links, video. It is similar to the post you have make on the Facebook or the Twitter. There are hundreds of websites that offer blog services for free. Some of the popular blogs are www.wordpress.com, www.blogger.com, www.blog.com, www.weebly.com, and last is www.blogsome.com. By using any of one these sites, you can create and post your blog. Now, how to create a blog account? WordPress is what? It's a free web services that can use to create a beautiful website or a blog. WordPress has support for themes for customizing the design of a blog. Themes can make a blog or a web page look attractive. Before you start using a blog account is required. To create one, you need a web browser and an internet connection. So before posting anything over a blog, what we should have? We should have a blog account. And for that, what we require? We require WordPress. Now, next step. Steps to create a blog account. First, what we'll have to do? We'll have to open a web browser. After that, on the address bar, we have to type an address, and that is http signup.wordpress.com, then sign up. You should now get a page with the field, then there are blog address, username, password, email address, and language. Now we'll discuss all these. The first field is blog address. You must provide a unique address to your WordPress blog. This is the address which other will see to view your blog. So we'll have to create a unique address, and this address is our identity. Whenever any person want to search us, that person search us with the help of this blog address. Second is username. You should choose a username for managing the blog. Third is password. Why password is required? Because if we want to secure our data, what we do? We encrypt that data, and for securing the data we require password. So securing your WordPress blog account with a strong password is important. And how we can secure? By a combination of uppercase and the lowercase letter with some digit along with symbol would be a strong enough. Next field is providing our email address. Why we require email address? Because when our blog account is activated, a message will be sent in our mail address. So you must provide your email address here. An activation link will be sent to your WordPress after you click create blog. Last is language. You can choose your own language for blogging from the list given. Then click create blog. On doing so, you will be sent an email for activating your blog account. Open your email and click on activation link. Once you click activate blog, you will be redirected your WordPress blog. Now, after creating a blog account, our next step is to post something. Before posting anything, we should know the meaning of posting. So, once you have created a blog, you need to submit content that other will see, and this process is called posting content. Here are some steps to create a post. For creating a post, we should have to click a new post. Then title. You must provide a title for your post. Whatever the post you are doing, what you'll have to do, you will have to provide a title for that. Choose a title that the post will focus on. For example, here I have chosen School Annual Day Function 2020. Once you have finished typing the content, you need to publish the post for others to see. Then we'll have to click publish button to publish our content. To view the post, you can type the blog address where in the address bar of the web browser. Then you should see your blog along with your post. Last topic of today's session is using offline blog editor. If you do not have any internet connection, you can create blog using blog applications and publish the blog whenever internet connectivity is available. There are several free offline blog editors available that can be downloaded and installed on the local computer. and they are Window Live Editor and Block Desk.